Do you send emails for work or personal use? In today's video, I would be showing you how you can earn a full-time income from home by just clicking the send button on Gmail. All you need to start earning is just your laptop. You would not need to pay for any of the tools I would be showing to you in the video. First step is to go to this website, called Ad Creative AI. As you can see, this is an AI bot that can create ad and social creatives. This bot can help business owners get higher conversion rates and CTR, leading to more sales to a business. Now, I want you to scroll to the bottom of this section. In this section, click on Affiliate. As you can see, you can become a partner of Ad Creative AI and get paid to promote it. Coming down here, you can see that they would pay you $750 after 10 signups. $7,500 after 100 signups. And $375,000 after 1,500 signups. On top of that, they would give you a $25,000 bonus. Second step is to go back to the top and click the Become a Partner button. On this page, you would have to sign up with your email, name and password. Before you click Create Account, make sure you write down your username and password. In case you forgot your password, you would not lose your commission. After clicking Create Account, you should see your affiliate dashboard. To get your affiliate link, come to this side and click Links. Here, you can customize your affiliate link. I want you to put something that is related to the free $500 in free Google Ads credit that they are giving away to people. This would attract people to use their service. For my example, I would be typing 500 free ad credits in this box. The third step is to go to google.com. You should see this same page. In the search bar, I want you to search any type of business such as barber, dentist or gym. Then write +@gmail.com, then click enter. Now I want you to copy everything on this page and click copy. The fourth step is to go to email-checker.net. As you can see, this is an email extractor tool that can help us easily find all the emails in the text that we just copied just now. Now, paste the text in this box here, then click the Extract Email button. After you click Extract Email, you should see the emails that were hidden in the previous Google page. Now, copy all these emails and go to Gmail. Gmail is an email service that is 100% free to use. To use Gmail, you would need to sign up first. After you sign up, you should see your Gmail account. Now, head over to the top left section where it says Compose. After clicking on it, a new message pop-up should appear on the bottom right of the screen. In the To box, paste all the emails that you collected just now. In the box below, you would have to put the subject. I recommend putting the subject about the free $500 in ad credit they can get if they sign up using your link. Then in the next box, below, you can copy and paste the email template that I have left in the description below. Now, go back to the Ad Creative AI affiliate dashboard and copy your affiliate link. Then paste it into these sections of the email. Now send the email. And once they get the service, you're going to get your commission. That's all for today's video. Click on the video on the screen to make more money.